Wanyanalum. Welcome in our local Cubby Cubby Gubby Gubby language. I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge elders past and present and acknowledge their connection to the bunya tree throughout deep time. Myself, Robyn Fox, along with Karen Shaw, Spencer Shaw, Auntie Zetha, Nita Harris, Pierre, Rachel and Jono would like to share with you our article, Beyond Bunya Dieback, a composite article regarding safeguarding the cultural and ecological connections of the bunya tree to country. The bunya tree, or boni boni, is an amazing experience. They are living sentinels that have endured for at least 200 million years from the Jurassic period. These giants can reach heights over 40 metres and can live for up to 600 years. For thousands of years, they've been central to the culture of the Yinabara, Cubby Cubby and Waka Waka people who gathered for ceremony and nut harvests that united First Nations communities from far and wide. However, we are now witnessing a skeleton forest as these ancient lineages face an unprecedented threat. This is the crisis of Bunya Dieback. Dieback is caused by soil-borne pathogens, specifically species of Phytophthora, which act as microscopic water moulds. These pathogens infect the tree's roots systems, disrupting water and nutrient uptake until the tree rapidly declines. Because the disease is difficult to detect early and has no known cure, mature bunyas can die within a year or two, especially during droughts. This ecological unravelling is worsened by habitat fragmentation and climate change, which weakens these forest giants. The loss is not just biological, it is the erasing of the irreplaceable cultural connection to country. In response to this urgency, a team of 8 contributors produced a composite article offering a new framework for thinking and acting. This work is a direct outcome of the community-led Beyond Bunya Dieback program and symposium, which you can see in the picture on the slide here, which seeks to bridge a gap between scientific research and lived experience. The article contributes 5 key insights for navigating ecological decline. First, we must honour traditional knowledge and custodianship. Second, we must build collaborative, transdisciplinary networks. Third, we should leverage art to evoke the emotions necessary for action. Fourth, we must empower community and business leadership. And finally, we must catalyse awareness into tangible actions. The emerging field of critical forest studies is its shift away from reductivist Western management towards relational ontologies. This field recognises that a forest is not simply a featureless backdrop for human activity and exploitation, but as a sentient being, which has the right to exist. These forests require an ethic of intimate care. Critical forest studies embodies the Maori concept of mahi tihi, working as one, to achieve respectful protection for iconic forest species such as the bunya and the kauri tree. In this picture here, the mycelium network showcases the forest species working together through the sharing of nutrients, energy and signals. Mirroring the mycelium network, critical forest studies showcases the strength of connection that reaches across borders, bringing together First Nations rangers, mycologists, scientists, artists, musicians and educators to co-create knowledge and advocate for the flourishing of forests and all that inhabit them. The article reframes biosecurity not as a technical problem but as a relational practice. It shows how environmental education can catalyse local stewardship by transforming simple actions like scrubbing boots into rituals of respect for country and for future generations. By positioning environmental art as a river flowing beneath a bridge of science, the article demonstrates how empathy and imagination can complement technical knowledge and help drive systematic change. The Beyond Bunya Dieback program illustrates how small community-led initiatives can bypass bureaucratic delays and respond with the urgency our forest demands. We are invited to move beyond reactive problem solving towards proactive place-based stewardship. The bunya has endured for millions of years. We must ensure it does not disappear on our watch through inaction. We encourage you to read the Beyond Bunya Dieback article and join us in giving voice to forest health and prosperity.